Just reaching the canal towpath now. I'm passing a strategically placed camera. So now on the canal bank towpath at, I suppose you call it Beach Hill area, which is where I grew up. So we're just heading down here, which will take us, as I mentioned earlier, to Crooke Marina. The reason for my visit here today is, I think in the weather that we've had overnight, frosty, a little bit snowy, although the snow's stopped now, and very cold. I think the marina and the barges and boats on the marina, I think they'll look quite good in the snow, so we'll see what I can get. It is only a short walk from where we joined the canal there at the bridge. Okay, just approaching where the marina is. I need to continue on to the next bridge, which is at the Crooke Inn pub. So the marina there just coming into view. Unfortunately, I'm going back to work tomorrow, so no drone flying or any activities really for a couple of weeks, I think. So onwards to the bridge, as I mentioned, where I'm going to come off the canal and then walk along the road to have a look at that place. There's the bridge up ahead where I'm going to come off the canal, and just hidden in the trees at the moment, cream coloured building, is the Crooke pub. And there's the Crooke Inn. Lovely little spot around here. It's one of those places where, whatever the season, it always looks nice. To me, anyway. Just going to have a little detour over to the left, where there is a old mining cart from when they used to extract coal from the pits way up that way. And bring it down to the canal for transportation to wherever, Liverpool, and then off to more far-flung places from Liverpool docks. And this is the mine cart, genuine, original mine cart. So you can pause the video here and have a good read of this if you're interested. May put some info about it in the description if I can remember. And there's that's a bit faded, unfortunately. It says a genuine pit tub from John Pit. Nice bit of history. And here is the marina. That seems like a nice little spot to situate myself. I think I might go around there and fly incognito if possible. Checking out this spot I've just seen, see if it's suitable. I think it should be. Might look a bit strange when cars go past. Strange dude looking dodgy, wearing goggles. I'm just going to put the camera down there, have a look through the tunnel.
On a cold and crisp January day, I visit a marina not far away. It's so peaceful, so calm, and filled with charm. I fly my drone but cannot stay. The boats, they sleep as they cannot sail. The icy bite means they would not prevail, so they lie here and wait for brighter days, when the ice will melt under the sun's majestic rays. Crooke Village Marina is a beautiful place, full of barges and boats, and where birds fly with grace. My drone flies serenely over each resting vessel, while the water and weather continue to wrestle. The sun attempts to break through the morning cloud, but the frost has not yet released its wintry shroud. The drone rises high to witness the splendor. Some boats start to move as the ice offers its surrender. Birds cry out as the drone sweeps by, a winter marina under a silver sky. Barges dreaming of warmer days, the drone pilot colder in this icy haze. On a cold and crisp January day, I visit a marina not far away. It's so peaceful, so calm, and filled with charm. I fly my drone but cannot stay. The boats, they sleep as they can.